This lecture aims at providing introduction to the syllabus of CFA Level 1 exam and the structure of CFA Level 1 exam in order to help all those students who are planning to register for CFA exams. So starting with the syllabus of CFA Level 1 exam, CFA Level 1 exam comprises 10 key subjects which are ethical and professional standards, quantitative methods, economics, financial reporting and analysis, corporate finance, equity, fixed income, derivatives, alternative investments and portfolio management. So all these subjects are a part of CFA Level 1 curriculum and their respective weightages in the exam are given in front of them. So for example, ethical and professional standards comprise approximately 15 to 20% of the exam content, quantitative methods 8 to 12%, economics 8 to 12% again, financial reporting and analysis 13 to 17%, corporate finance 8 to 12%, equity 10 to 12, fixed income 10 to 12, derivatives 5 to 8, alternative investments 5 to 8 and portfolio management 5 to 8. So these are the 10 subjects which comprises CFA Level 1 curriculum. The exam is a computer-based exam and primarily MCQs. These computer-based exams are conducted at designated testing centers, designated exam centers for CFA Level 1 exams. The exam comprises 180 MCQs in total, but these 180 MCQs are divided into two parts. So there are two different sessions for exam, first session and second session. Both include 90 MCQs and both provide you with 135 minutes to answer those 90 MCQs. So in total, approximately you have 90 seconds to answer one MCQ. So as long as you are able to answer one MCQ in 90 seconds, you should be able to complete the exam timely. First session tests you on 4 key subjects: ethics and professional standards, quantitative methods, economics, financial reporting and analysis. And the second section then tests you on 6 subjects which are corporate finance, equity, fixed income, derivatives, alternative investments, portfolio management. The weightage of both the segments or both the sections is same. So both will comprise 50% of the exam. Overall preparation time required for exam is at least 300 hours, but obviously it depends on your ability to grasp the finance concepts and also your knowledge about the financial concepts. If you have already studied most of the content, then maybe you require less than 300 hours. But if you haven't studied the financial concepts and these 10 subjects in detail, then maybe you require more than 300 hours. And then it also depends on your ability to grasp the new concepts and how quickly you learn the new concepts. But at least keep in mind that you should have 300 hours of preparation time. How to prepare for exam? In order to prepare for exam, you can join our CFA exam preparation course. For more details, you can email us at askpvc@gmail.com or inbox us here on YouTube. Hope this lecture was helpful. Thank you.